Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Power the Pixel 8a off to stop short circuits, then remove the SIM tray and case to expose ports. Use a microfiber cloth to blot away surface water. Don't rub hard, and avoid inserting anything into ports. Once done, set the phone upright on an absorbent towel in a ventilated spot. Make sure airflow reaches speaker and charging ports. This reduces residual moisture and prepares you for targeted drying steps that follow. Next, focus on forced but gentle drying. Use a small fan or short bursts of compressed air from about 15 to 20 centimeters to push water out of ports and speaker grills. This prevents driving moisture deeper. Place the Pixel 8a in a sealed container with silica gel packets, or, as a last resort, clean rice for 24 to 48 hours to absorb internal moisture. Make sure you never use high heat. Keep any warm air below 40 degrees. After quarantining the phone for up to 48 hours, reinsert the SIM and power the device on. Test microphone, speakers, cameras, sensors, and charging. If problems persist, run the Pixel Diagnostics app and back up your data right away. Corrosion can worsen over time. If you still see malfunctioning hardware, erratic charging, or display artifacts, stop DIY attempts and take the phone to an authorized repair center. Professional teardown prevents further damage and addresses corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.